Today I'm hitting back at Matthew Hussey's frankly rubbish advice. He says if you're not happy in a relationship, just leave and find someone else. Seriously, that's the solution? I mean, it's like saying if your car has a flat tire, don't fix it, just dump it and get a new one. This isn't just bad advice, it's promoting chaos. Just watch and listen to what is he saying.
Pain if you leave, you will. You will. It's not you're going to leave and you're going to feel like you've done the wrong thing and you're going to be lonely and you're going to feel like you're never going to meet anyone again and you're going to be heartbroken, you're going to question yourself, you're going to doubt yourself. All of that is true, but you have all this pain staying here anyway. So at least have the pain that's a question mark. This pain is a period, it's not a question mark. At least leaving means possibility, promise, hope, something different.
Hang on a second. Where's the commitment? Where's the sacrifice? Relationships aren't just about constant happiness, they're about working the tough times. By Hussey's logic, we should all just hop from one partner to another the moment things get rough. What a shallow way to live. This idea completely trashes the concept of marriage and commitment. It's like he's advocating for a return to the Stone Age, where relationships were fleeting and based on momentary whims. We have evolved past that. We understand the value of deep, lasting connections. And let's talk about the impact of this mindset. Sky-high divorce rates, broken families, a society where nobody sticks around when things get tough. Is this the future we want? I mean, Hussey's advice isn't just flawed, it's dangerous. It encourages people to bail instead of building something meaningful. And that, my friends, is why I'm calling it out as absolute